But I designed this set of programs called the self-authoring suite. And one of them, the future authoring program, helps people write out a plan for their life. So it helps them, it asks you some questions about 6 dimensions of your life, you know, your health, mental and physical, your use of drugs and alcohol, your wishes 3 to 5 years down the road for intimate relationships, for family, for career, for education, and so on. It asks you, what could your life be like 3 to 5 years down the road if you set it up for you like you were someone you were taking care of? So it asks you those 6 questions. Then it asks you to write for 15 minutes about your vision for your life. You get to have what you want and what would be good for you. What would that be? And then it asks you to write for 15 minutes about what your life would be like 3 to 5 years down the road if you let your bad habits and your, you know, idiocies and your foolishnesses and your weaknesses take the upper hand and auger you into the ground. Because everyone knows about that. And so it's like you get to design a little heaven to strive for and a little hell to avoid. And then you write for, then you basically turn that into an implementable plan. That's the second part of the program. We've used that with about 5 to 7,000 university students now, mostly in Europe at the Rotterdam School of Management. And we've raised their grade point average of their kids 25%, dropped their dropout rate the same.